In this video, I'm going to teach you how to pay online on Savana. So first you want to click on the Savana app, and then you just want to wait for it to load, and then you want to just add anything to cart. So let's say I want to add this blue printed pullover t-shirt on it, and I want to add it to cart. And you want to click on the cart on the top right. Make sure you tap on that. And then you'll be on a page where it will provide information on checkout. So you notice that there's like free shipping for orders over 30K IQD, and there's like also pickup options as well, easy returns. Then you want to click on the checkout option on the bottom right. You have to make sure that oh, there's a limit to that, so just put 1. But you have to make sure that you do sign in. It will prompt you to sign into your Google account or whatever account you want. So just make sure you do that. And then once you check out, you will be provided an option to add a new address. And then once you fill out the new address, you'll be prompted to go through the order process where you will fill out your credit card information or whatever payment that you're looking to use for the order. And then, you should be able to make the purchase. Thanks for watching.